Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you today about this really cool cosmetic storage rack. So as you can see, it's made of clear plastic and it rotates. So I'll just show you this. You can turn it and the bottom stays nice and flat and it rotates very easily and smoothly. So I'll show you on the top here, it comes with a removable kind of like lipstick and brushes holder. It has two of those. And you can move it, maybe you want to put it over here, here, all of it you can move around, which is what makes it really cool. So it doesn't have to stay how it is, you can personalize it to how you like it. In the center you can hold brushes here, and there are lots of little shelves, perfect for storing any kind of moisturizers, shampoos. Here we've got some micellar water, lots of different products. There's small shelves suitable for eyeshadows, lipsticks, everything. So all those little things that are just all over your dressing table, you can organize them nicely into this. You could also put it in the bathroom. It's not gonna get damaged if it gets wet. You can have it in your bedroom, living room, and you can even use it in the kitchen if you wanted to put something like spices or salts on it. You could use it as a spice rack and you can move it. As you can see, all the shelves here, they are removable. You just literally pull them out. I don't want to pull it out too much like this. And you can slot them anywhere you want very easily. So we hope you can enjoy using this product.